Il y a de l'XLR.
What do you normally have a condenser or?
Ceinture de sécurité.
Sécurité?
Sécurité, ça.
Ah oui, oui, c'est très important. Oui, otherwise
C'est comme dans les avions.
cassé.
Comme dans les avions. Like on a plane.
Ah oui. Safety belt.
Safety belt.
For the video, not for the sound.
What do you mean sound? You got sound ear and you got video ear.
Correct.
L'instrument, c'est
Oh,
quoi?
le nom?
Oui.
C'est une vielle à roue. En anglais, elle s'appelle hurdy-gurdy.
Oh, wedges. We need one here.
Like when I do round tables or something. On pourrait parler verlan English. Verlan English.
Downstairs. Go up, and then it's on the right.
Non, en 6 le lead.
Different mic question.
I was going to say, I remember.
Who do I ask because I need a rostrum.
Vous avez des pupitres à partition ici, vous? Non? Non. La musique statique.
be on their own.
I write it as I go along, making new lyrics. So it's good.
How many lyrics you have tonight?
How many songs? I think 7 or 8. I'm not sure yet. We have to decide backstage. I wrote 2 of them today, lyrics, so I have to. This is why I have to have the sheet, the paper.
And sometimes I just hate myself. And sometimes I just hurt myself. Sometimes I just help myself. And sometimes I just hate myself. Sometimes I just hurt myself. And sometimes I just help myself.
sent to me you can't spell. You know.
N-I-G-R-E.
How does it spell? N-I-G-R-E. Okay.
Shame.
That's okay.
It's got a huge black cock.
Okay.
It's just so.
So it's spelled like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's even better.
I haven't heard enough mic in this.
Oh, definitely.
Is he?
Yeah.
It's not in my monitor, so.
Yeah, yeah. I'd have to work my day.
I wouldn't go down too far. There's an egg slice. There's an egg slice.
Well, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get it round. As in,
What do you mean?
you want to get it round there?
No, this is fireproof. So I'm not going to be able to do that, am I? Right here, which is kind of where I'm lining myself up.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So if I were to... How easy? So can I pull it out the base? Yeah. Sorry?
When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses. All the pretty little horses. Blacks and bays and dapples and greys. All the pretty little horses.
That's got it. Back, so that if I did...
the idea. Oh, this, I'm not sure. Yeah? Don't know actually. Is this a theremin? No. No, what is it?
It's a fake theremin.
All right.
It's just a light, but it looks good. You might have to do it and lick it.
There's some piece.
Moulin Rouge, Paris. Paris. Okay, thanks a lot.